Hello students, in last video we have seen that the definition of graph, adjacency, incidence, loop, parallel edges, simple graph, multiple graph or multigraph, compound graph or pseudo graph. In this video we will see the degree of vertex, degree of graph, also handshaking lemma and more. First, definition, degree of vertex. Degree of vertex means number of edges incident on it. On it means on vertex and is denoted by d of v, where v is vertex. So degree of vertex is, the degree of vertex is defined as number of edges incident on it and is denoted by d of v. Next, note, if there is a self loop, means a loop, then in the definition of the degree of vertex it is counted twice. Now here example, find the degree of each vertex in the following graph. So here 4 number of vertex v1, v2, v3, v4. So degree of v1 is equal to, here edge e1 is incident on v1, so degree of v1 is 1 because the number of edges incident on v1 are nothing but d1. So degree of v1 is 1. Degree of v2 is equal to, here you can see that e1, e2, e3 are incident on v2. Here e2 is a self loop, so e2 counted twice. So number of edges incident on v2 are nothing but d1, 2, 3, 4 because loop considered 2. So degree of v2 is equal to 4. Degree of v3 is equal to, number of edges are incident on v3 are nothing but d3 because e3, e4, e5 are incident on v3. That's why degree of v3 is equal to 3. Degree of v4 is equal to, here you can see that e4, e5 are incident on v4. So degree of v4 is equal to 2 because 2 number of edges are incident on v4. Now next is isolated vertex. A vertex with degree 0 is called as isolated vertex and pendant vertex means a vertex with degree 1 is called as pendant vertex. In last example you can see that degree of v1 is equal to 1. So v1 is a pendant vertex by definition of pendant vertex. For example, consider this graph. Here vertex are v1, v2, v3, v4. Here you can see that degree of v2 is equal to 0 because there is no edges are incident on v2. Degree of v2 is equal to 0. So v2 is isolated vertex and v4 is a pendant vertex because degree of v4 is equal to 1 because e3 only one edge is incident on v4, so degree of v4 is equal to 1. That's why vertex v4 is a pendant vertex. Next, degree of the graph. Sum of the degrees of all vertices in graph G is called the degree of the graph G. Notation, d of G is equal to degree of graph. That is, degree of graph is equal to summation of degree of vi, where vi belongs to G. Now next example on the degree of the graph. Example is, for example, consider this graph. Here v1, v2, v3, v4, v5 are the vertex. First count degree of each vertex. Degree of v1 is equal to 2. Degree of v2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. degree of V3 is equal to 1. Degree of V4 is equal to 2. And degree of V5 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3. Degree of V5 is equal to 3. Now, by definition of degree of graph is equal to degree of graph is equal to summation of degree of Vi, where Vi belongs to G. Here graph G. So degree of graph is equal to degree of V1 plus degree of V2 plus degree of V3 plus degree of V4 plus degree of V5 is equal to degree of V1 is 2, 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 12. Degree of graph is equal to 12. Next point is handshaking lemma. Handshaking lemma is the sum of the degrees of all vertices in any graph is always even number. That is, the total degree of a graph G is equal to twice the number of edges in G. That is, summation of degree of Vi, where Vi belongs to G, is equal to 2 into order of E. E is the set of edges and this mode is nothing but the order of that set. Next example, how many edges are there in a graph with 10 vertices each of degree 6? By using the handshaking lemma, we can find the number of edges of that graph. Here you can see that 10 vertices with each of degree 6 in graph G. Let us consider this graph is G. 10 vertices each of degree 6. So degree of graph is equal to summation of degree of Vi. Vi belongs to G. Here degree of each graph is 6. So degree of V1 plus degree of V2 up to degree of V10 because given 10 vertices. And degree of V1 is 6 plus degree of V2 is 6 because each of degree 6. So 6 plus 6 up to 10 times. So 10 into 6 is equal to 16. Now by using the handshaking lemma, we have summation of degree of Vi is equal to 2 into order of E. Here summation of degree of Vi is 60 is equal to 2 into order of E, which implies order of E is equal to 60 upon 2 is equal to 30. So G has 30 edges. So in this example, how many edges are there in a graph with 10 vertices each of degree 6? Our job is to finding the number of edges of that graph. Given 10 vertices each of degree 6. So first we count degree of graph. Degree of graph is equal to summation of degree of Vi. Vi belongs to G. We get 60. Degree of graph is equal to 60. Next we used handshaking lemma. Handshaking lemma tells us that summation of degree of Vi is equal to 2 into order of E. By putting the values of degree of graph, we get order set of edge is equal to 30. So G has 30 edges. Here we stop.